You have now completed the pre-spray step, and the cleaning chemicals have had time to loosen up soiled areas. It's time for step 3, which is pressure wash the restroom with the CR2. Confirm that you have set the mode selector switch on the back of the machine to the rinse position. Now you need to set the spray gun to high pressure mode by pulling the nozzle in and twisting the head to dial in the spray from a fan pattern to a stream pattern. When rinsing the urinals, use the top-down approach by starting at the top on the chrome fixtures. Move down to the top of the urinal, then pressure wash the inside and outside of the urinal. Rinse the wall on each side and below the urinal, and finish on the floor. For toilet rinsing, use the top-down approach again and start on the wall if you pre-sprayed it. Move down to the chrome fixtures on the toilet. Then rinse the top of the toilet and the seat. Lift the lid and rinse under the seat, then rinse the top rim, inside the bowl, outside the bowl, and finish on the floor under the toilet. For cleaning other fixtures like mirrors and sinks, you can adjust the spray on the high pressure gun to a fan pattern to minimize streaking and splashing. Again, start with the top-down approach and work your way down to the floor. If this is the first deep cleaning for the restroom, you can use the high pressure gun to clean and rinse the grout lines in the floor and even the walls. This is an optional step and can be used as needed. And finally, after you have rolled up your solution hose and stored it on the CR2, you should hand squeegee any mirrors and flat surfaces to avoid streaking and make sure that most of the water is on the floor and ready to be extracted.